Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia, and I am a student in the C Agribisnis Study Program on the Faculty of Agriculture at Terimakasih University, with student number 10321100105. This time, I will describe about learning and development employee. This video was created to satisfy the Human Resource Management course next term final examination. Learning and development employee. First is learning employee. Definition: learning is a procedure, a way of doing things, or the process of forcing a living thing to learn. In a learning environment, there is a process of interaction between learning objects and learning subjects. The goals of learning is assumedly the goal of company learning program is to give employees the skills, knowledge, and competency they need to satisfy their job present and future demands. 4 types of learning. 1. Instrumental learning. Instrumental learning is learning to improve the ability to do work better after basic performance standards have been achieved. 2. Cognitive learning is learning the results of which are based on increased knowledge and understanding. 3. Affective learning is learning whose results are based on the development of attitudes and feelings, not knowledge. 4. Self-reflection learning is namely learning with methods of understanding, thinking, and behaving to create knowledge and patterns new understanding. There are several conditions for learning to run effective tasks. 1. A person's motivation to learn. 2. A willingness to learn independently. 3. Clear goals and objectives. 4. Learning methods that are varied and entertaining. 5. Concrete and constructive learning feedback. 6. Educators know what resources and teaching techniques to use. Formal and informal learning in comparison. Informal is 1. Relevant for some people but not for others. 2. All students learn some material. 3. There is a discrepancy between present and desired knowledge. 4. Cannot be used straight. 5. The process of transferring knowledge can run into issues. In informal, 1. Incredible pertinent to personal recruitment. 2. Learning things that are always required. 3. There is only a slight discrepancy between existing and desired knowledge. 4. Can be used right away. 5. The transfer of learning is always possible. A learning program should concentrate on a number of aspects such as setting clear learning goals in creating a productive learning environment or cultural learning. 2. Using a blended learning strategy. 3. Using a methodical, well-thought-out, and balanced approach to learning program. 4. Determining the needs for learning and growth. 5. Provide diverse learning, development, and training approach, including a learning to meet that demand. 6. As how well this procedure effective. Second is development employee. Definition of development is the acquisition of knowledge, skills, and behavior that enhance employees' ability to meet changing job requirements and demand of client and customer. The goals development refer to formal education, work experience, relationships, personality assessment, and skills that help employees prepare for the future. Learning and development in comparison. Focused learning is currently, focused development future time. Use of work experience learning is low. Use of work experience of development is high. Target of learning is preparation for current jobs. Target of development is preparation for change. Target of involvement learning is need, and involvement of development is voluntary. 1. Formal education. 2. Assessment. 3. Various work experience, namely various things that occur during the work process which are related to relationship. 4. Interpersonal relationship. Problem in employee development. 1. Is solving the class ceiling, which is an obstacle in the form and the emergency of stereotypes or corporate system that assume that women and minority cannot occupy higher positions. 2. Succession planning, namely tracing and identifying employees with high potential to occupy higher managerial positions. 3. Overcome managers with a variety of behavior that are not functionally normal. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.